Want to know how to insulate a tent for winter camping? Here is a list of 8 hacks which we tried and tested personally to remain warmer during the chilling winter. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the post notification button so that you will be notified every time we'll be posting some content. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's jump into it. Number 1. Choosing the right location. For preparing your tent for winter camping, you need to look for a place where the temperature will be the highest. This can be achieved by looking for some places where the wind cannot reach your tent. Thus, the heat inside your tent will automatically stay inside and thus result you in keeping warmer. Number 2. Choosing a tent. Now when it comes to choosing a tent, you have to take care of various factors and come up with the best for the appropriate conditions. You can go for a smaller tent. The smaller your tent is, the cozier it will be. This is because of phenomena of trapping heat. Thus the heat around you will stay closer to your body and you will start feeling warmer. In case you have a larger tent, then the heat gets dissipated in the large area inside the tent and thus you will feel cold. We insist you to go for a pop-up tent. They are easier to set up and smaller in size than the other tents. Make sure you go for a weather resistant one if the weather is changing abruptly, as they are very durable. This is why they are called 4-season tents. While choosing a tent, also look for a tent where you can have the interior space for bonfire or candles for warmer experience. Number 3. Ground protection. In winter it gets difficult just to set foot on the floor as it really becomes cold. You don't want to get into a situation where you're comfortable from top but not at the bottom, where you're really freezing. So our advice is to get a thick ground tarp that can provide you with great insulation from the cold seeping from beneath. You can easily get a ground tarp specifically made for the cold weather camping in the market. In case you don't have a ground tarp, you can use a thick blanket or carpet or mat in its place. Number 4. Overhead protection. Most of the cold seeping into the tent is from the top, and so its protection is the most important thing. If the option arises that you need to protect either the ground or the top, you should go for the top. The snow, rain droplets, frost or even the mist must be falling over your tent, and thus it takes away the warmness of your tent and you will start feeling cold. Number 5. Sleeping bags. You know that you're going to carry a sleeping bag for the night. So when you go to buy a sleeping bag, look for the one to buy with the thermal trapping ability. There are some sleeping bags made for the special purpose of trapping heat inside in winter. You can look for them over. Try to check if you're buying a sleeping bag that fits you perfectly, because just like the tents, unnecessary extra space will dissipate the heat. Also, it's better if you're getting the sleeping pad with all padding on all of its side, will make you feel warmer. Number 6. Warmer clothes. However warm the tent may be, you still need your clothes to be warm. If possible, we advise you to wear multiple layers of clothes made up of wool. You can further wear socks, hats, scarves and even the hand gloves. And also we would prefer thermally insulating materials for extra protection. So pack your bags accordingly to that. Number 7. Thermal blankets. Thermal blankets are another thing that can help in keeping the interior of your tent warmer. The way to use thermal blankets is that you can tape them to the top of your tent, inside of your tent, and it can block the heat trying to go out of the room. So make sure to check it out. Number 8. Heat generation. You have seen how to trap the heat inside your tent, but the heat of your body is not enough to prevent your body from the frostbite or freezing. If you love to read, then definitely you should check out our website Camping Hunt. We have written a lot of articles about how and what to do if you're going out for camping. So please check it out. Link will be in the description box. Please share your winter stories in the comment section. We would love to read them. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the post notification button so that you will be notified every time we will be posting some content. Thanks for watching.